Hey everyone, it's Megan with CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the month of June in my B6 Rings planner using the Booble Party kit from SweetNanaShop. Okay, you guys, I am extremely obsessed with this kit. First of all, it's like bubble tea, so that's why it's called Booble Party. But like, okay, look at this. It's Winnie the Pooh. It's Winnie the Pooh themed. I'm obsessed. I'm so excited. Okay, so that's the kit we're going to be using. We're going to be using the whole collection along with a couple of other items from her shop. I have some stickers that I had from her shop that I'm probably going to be using. I'm not quite sure. It's like little icons. Here, I'll show you. I got the whole collection because it's just too cute and I am extremely obsessed with it. So it's all of the characters in, like, either in the character costumes or just them themselves. So I'm obsessed. I think it's so, so cute. So if you guys want to save some money off of your SweetNanaShop order, don't forget to use my code MEG15. It will save you 15% off of your order and you will receive my freebie. And if you saw my Hope I Need Your Cousin video, you already know how much I am hyping up this freebie because it is so cute. Look, it has everything you need. I love it. It's so fun. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Okay, so that is everything. We're going to go ahead and jump into the monthly. So I have done a setup on this B6 Rings planner before, so if you want to see that, you can check out the description box below. I brought you guys a little bit closer so we can get an idea of what I am doing for this spread, and you don't have to see my mess of stickers in the corner over here. So I guess we should probably go ahead and start by adding the days down on the sidebar. I'm going to begin by using this strip here and this one. I think I may have used a SweetNanaShop kit last week or last month as well. So if you are interested in seeing that, definitely check out that previous video because it is quite fun if I do say so myself. I am going to go ahead and set this corner up as well, just so I know how much sticker I have to work with for pulling things out. Where is my cutter? There it is. Okay. So I know we're going to need a little bit in between Wednesday here. So if you guys have never seen any of my videos before, then welcome. Like I said, my name is Megan and I craft with all different kinds of art media. So if you are interested in seeing what I share on this channel, definitely check it out. I will have those links in the description box so you can see those if you are interested. That is cute. Okay. Now, I'm not going to do too much decoration on this spread because I already will be doing that in my monthlies. So if you are interested in seeing my monthly setups, then I highly encourage you to check out last month because I did share, and hold on, I'll finish that thought and then I'll start with a new one. I did share what I do in my monthlies, but I also do share them on my TikTok and Instagram, and I will also be adding it to Instagram Reel Shorts as well, or sorry, YouTube Shorts as well, so you guys can see what I do in this planner as well. Okay, now I should probably figure out when the month starts. I just set up my week's planner, so I'll have that one out right now and I can see what the start of the month is. It is on a Saturday. So let's put these days down and then we'll decorate a little bit of this, but our main decoration is going to be the other pages, which I will show you as soon as we put these on the spread. So let me do that and then I will get back to you guys. All right, so that is that done. Now I'm going to get this one. Oh gosh, I want to pull it off the page. And I'm going to put our cute little friends right here in the center. And I think there is a box one, yes, that we can add right here. Our little friends, they're so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Okay, and I think that's pretty much it. I don't think I need to do anything else for this spread. So let's go ahead and move this page out of the way, and we're going to do the monthly setups. So if you've seen my videos before, then you know that the 2 pages before the actual spread, I like to do the sticker hunt challenges. So we are going to decorate this just a little bit because I do need a lot of space for those sticker hunt challenges. So I'm thinking, actually, we are going to use the smaller strips of washi for this because I want it to be fun and cute at the same time as being functional. So put that there, and then I'm going to do the same thing over here on this side, and this will come off. Come on. There we go. Okay. Now you just have to let go. Thank you. And we're going to put this one up here in this corner. And make sure that the pages are together. Perfect. Look at that. So fun. Okay, and then we also have these 2 washi strips, which I don't have to use, and I might not. But I think they'd be cute. I just don't want to take away from the stickers that I'm going to be putting on the spread. So instead, what we will do is we will see, these are the characters that I was telling you guys about, and I don't think I'm going to use them in this spread, but I will use these boxes to have the label for whatever the challenge is. Okay, and then we'll do one down here as well, because there'll be 2 different challenges on here, and I think we are going to use this die cut sticker, and kind of want to put it up here or down here. I think we'll put it down here. Okay, and then we have one more, and I'm thinking of using the bubble tea one because, oh, there's multiple of them. Okay, so here's all the stickers that we have. And like I said, I don't want to use any of the characters because they're just too cute. But we could probably do the pink one to match the rest of the colors in this spread. I think that would be a good choice. Okay, so let's use this one and stick him up here in this corner. There we go. What do we think? I think it looks cute. Where is my cutter? There it is. And let's separate these pages. See if I can get this one separated without ripping it. Aha! Success. Okay, so that is what the second page looks like. So let's go ahead, move all this junk out of the way, and add this to my planner. And so I can show you the 2 pages that I did for May. So this was the May Sticker Hunt Challenge. So what I did was the page over here was 2023 Spring Sticker Hunt Challenge from Plans in the Making. And then on this side, I did Bless Your Heart Stickers May Sticker Hunt Challenge. So that is what I did. And then this was April's monthly. So this is the Sticker Hunt Challenge, like the Sticker a Day challenge that I do. So I just pick a sticker that fits the day that I had, and I do that. And then in the notes section, I do like a little monthly review. And I'm not showing you May's because at the time of me filming it, it's not quite done yet, but that is what we have for these 2 spreads. Like I said, they're pretty simple right now, but when the month gets here, it'll probably look similar to this, if not, you know, exactly the same. But because there's not a ton of sticker hunt challenges from Plans in the Making that I want to do, I've actually found another one that I'm doing, and it is called the Sticker Hunt Challenge by Planners Are Us _Norge. And I believe that she is a Norwegian planner girl, but she has a sticker hunt challenge that she does, and it is the hashtag planners are us sticker hunt. So she does monthly sticker hunt ones, so I was thinking of doing the bless your heart stickers on one side and the planners are us sticker challenge on the other, so that way I have 2 different sticker challenges and I'm using these pages for fun things. Alright everyone, that is it for this video. Once again, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was inspirational to you. If you want to see any more of my B6 rings planner setup videos, then you can check out the description box below. I will also have it linked in the playlist at the end of this video, so you can check those out. And if you are interested in seeing any of the other content that I share, you can check out the description box. Everything will be linked there. Once again, if you want to save some money off of your SweetNanaShop order, you can use my code MEG15. It will save you 15% off, and you will also receive my adorable SweetNanaShop freebie. I'm obsessed with it. It's so, so cute. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, craft on. Bye, guys.